Ready for question and answer.
Okay, great. So I start asking questions.
Yes.
Okay, do you have fever?
No, I don't have fever.
Do you have headache?
No, I don't have headache.
Do you have English knowledge?
Yes, I have English knowledge.
Do you have any disease?
No, I don't have any disease.
Disease. Okay. Do you have fever?
No, I don't have any fever. I don't have a fever.
Fever. Okay. Do you have time?
Yes, I have time.
Do you have time to learn English?
Yes, I have time to learn English.
Do you have time to attend class?
Yes, I have time to attend class.
Do you have time to spend with me?
Yes, I have time to spend with you.
You. Okay. Do you have time to celebrate birthday?
Yes, I have time to celebrate birthday.
Do you have time to read newspaper?
Yes, I have time to read newspaper.
Okay. Do you have time to uh, practice at home?
Yes, I have time to practice at home.
Okay. Do you have time to go to market?
Yes, I have time to go to market.
Okay. Do you have time to watch a movie?
No, I don't have time to watch movie.
Do you have time to waste with your friend?
No, I don't have time to waste with friend.
With my friend.
With my friend.
Okay. Do you have time to celebrate a party?
Yes, I have time to celebrate a party.
Party. Okay. Do you have time to book a ticket?
Yes, I have time to book a ticket.
Okay. Do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
How much money do you have?
I have money. I
Yeah.
have
2,000
2,000 rupees.
rupees. Okay. अरे है चाहे नहीं है, I'm not going to
Okay,
check. Okay.
sir.
Just you need to show off. Okay.
Okay, sir.
दिखाना भी तो जरूरी है ना. Just
हाँ
I
जी.
have. Simple. So
Okay,
2,000 to just you can see that I have 10,000 rupees.
वही बोलने वाला था 20,000.
Okay. Sorry, it's my mistake. Okay. Okay. So do you have do you have time to pay fee?
Yes, I have time to pay fee.
Do you have money to pay fee?
Yes, I have money to pay fee.
Do you have money to take admission?
Yes, I have money to take admission.
Do you have money to pay bill?
Yes, I have money to pay bill.
Do you have money to give me?
Yes, I have money to give you.
Okay. Do you have money to buy new clothes?
Yes, I have money to buy a new clothes.
Do you have money to book tickets?
Yes, I have money to book tickets.
Okay. Do you have money to watch a movie?
No, I don't have money to watch movie.
Or movie. Do you have money to celebrate a birthday?
Yes, I have money to celebrate birthday.
Okay. Do you have money to celebrate a party?
Yes, I have money to celebrate party.
Okay. Do you have any doubt in subject?
No, I don't have any doubt in subject.
Do you have any doubt in have?
No, I don't have any doubt in have.
Do you have any doubt in singular noun?
No, I don't have any doubt in singular noun.
Do you have any doubt in plural noun?
No, I don't have doubt in any doubt in plural noun.
Do you have any doubt in this question?
No, I don't have
Any doubt?
any doubt in question.
Okay. Do you have any doubt in this answer?
No, I don't have any doubt in answer.
In this answer.
In this answer.
Okay. Do you have any doubt in this paragraph?
Yes, I have doubt. Yes, I have
Or
doubt in paragraph.
Okay. Do you have confidence?
Yes, I have confidence.
Do you have confidence to speak on a topic?
Yes, I have confidence to speak a topic.
On a topic.
On a topic.
Do you have confidence to explain a story?
Yes, I have confidence to explain a story.
Do you have confidence to talk in English?
Yes, I have confidence to talk English.
In English.
In English.
Okay, great. Do you have car?
No, I don't have car.
Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Do you have any sister?
Yes, I have a sister.
Okay. Do you have pen and paper?
Yes, I have a pen and paper.
Okay. Do you have bike?
Yes, I have a bike.
Do you have mobile?
Yes, I have a mobile.
Great, very good. Clap for him, guys. Now, who wanna